Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, thank you for doing that. My name is Aziz Amino, CEO of House of Mina, creative director of House of Mina. And today, guys, we'll be learning how to make this Emirate fascinator. So, guys, just get started. You can do this for yourself, just a DIY that you can do with a few material that you have at home, and you can just get your Emirate cap. And so this is the tutorial that we're going to be doing today. So I'll be using the big size of Emirate cap. Just look at it. Emirate cap is a red made cap, and so let me show you how, guys. So let's DIY. So this is the material that I'll be needing for this project, and this is my Emirate cap. Just look at it. This is my Emirate cap, and is red made cap. Can you see it, guys? Just look at the shape, the love shape. I love this. You can rock this alone. You can embellish it just like the way I want to do it now. And so this is the flower, the big size. You can get the small size feathers. These feathers I'll be working with. I'll just be picking, just like I think like 6 out of 8, and just look at it. I'm going to be having my scissors. I'm going to buy my scissors and my net. I'm going to have my net and my glue gum, and I'm going to be having pearl and stone. Just depend on the one you want to use. So let's get started. So this is the cap, and the next thing we're going to be doing now, we're going to cut out this net, and I'll be cutting out 20 inches. Just see the way my hand is moving. I'll be cutting out 20 inches. Just cut out 20 inches of net. So I'm going to cut out 20 inches. Just cut 20 inches. You can use 20, 22 inches. Just depend on you. And if you can see, this hole is too big. The net hole is too big, so you have to be very careful when you're doing a running stitch, just the way I'm doing it. Just be very careful. The hole is so big, and you just keep doing that with your needle and thread. See the way my hand is going. You keep doing that. Just see what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. Then you keep doing that till you get to the last then the next thing I'm going to be doing now, you're going to take this together, then you're going to sew it just the way I'm tying it. Just look at what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. Then tie. Okay, can you see you tie it? You're going to cut out the thread out. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I'm going to be sewing the net together with the Emirate cap. So I'm going to tack. Don't forget, when you're done with your tacking, you can just use a bias or streaming to cover the inside of the Emirate cap. So you keep doing this. You sew in and out. So you keep sewing in and out just the way I'm doing this. It's so easy to do. Can you see what I'm doing? Just take a look at what I'm doing. Can you see? Make sure your sewing is so strong. Make sure you sew it so strong. Can you see? You keep sewing in and out just the way I'm doing it. Can you see? Don't forget to try this and just look at this, and you can try this for yourself, and you can make this for clients. You just add this to your business, and can you see what I'm doing? You keep sewing in and out. You keep sewing in and out. Can you see under the Emirate cap there is a rope there? So you're going to be using that rope to wear it, or you can just wear it on your head, just depend how you want it. So the next thing I'll be doing now, I'm going to be gluing this to the Emirate cap. This is the flower. Just look at this flower. It's a big flower, but you can just make yours a small flower. It just depend on your choice on what you want. And this is my hot glue. Then I'm going to be pressing this on here just the way just look what I'm doing. It's so easy to do. Can you see what I'm doing? So easy to do. Then I'm going to press just like that. Can you see what I'm doing? So you're going to use a hot glue. Can you see? You don't need to tack this on it. So you just use the hot glue. The next thing I'm doing now, I'm going to be using this my feathers. So I'm going to take the feathers around Can you see I'm going to just pick out on the feathers, and I'm going to be using on my hot glue. Just find them somewhere under the flower, then you take it round. Just leave a space, and can you see what I'm doing? Just add your hot glue to it, then you're good to go. Add your hot glue to it. So easy to do. Can you see, darlings? Can you see, darlings? So what I did now is I have to use my stone to embellish that. I use the stone to embellish this part. Just take a look at it, and this is so beautiful. And just look at what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you again. Can you see? Just use your hot glue, and can you see? I'm going to show you again. Just put a little hot glue at the end of the stick of the feathers, and then you just glue it just like that. It's so easy to do, very easy to do. Just see what I'm doing. So easy to do. Can you see? Keep doing that. Can you see? If you want it to be full, what than this, just add enough feathers to it. Just look at this. Wow, wow. Can you see? Wow, look at it. And the next thing you'll be doing right now, you're going to be using your stone to embellishing that part. Just so I say the inside, don't forget to cover the inside with a streaming or bias. So I did that after the end of the videos. So just look at it. It's so beautiful. Just look at it. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you're old subscriber, thank you for coming back again. Thank you for the love and support. Just here, take your stones, your gum. So just take it, and then you just glue it on the flower. Just see the way I'm doing it. Just a little drop on the stone, then you're going to. So I'm working with B6000 glue. So just drop it on it. Just can you see? Then just use your hand to press on it. It's so easy to do. Can you see? So I am done with this. I am done with this. Just hey darlings, don't forget to share this video with friends and family. Don't forget to try this out. Just try this out. Just add it to your fascinator business, your million business. Just look at it. So beautiful. So this is the tutorial for today. So this is the tutorial that we did today, how to make Emirate fascinator with a red made fascinator. So just look at this. That is the finishing part. I hope you love this tutorial. So if you love this tutorial, just give it, just like it, comment, subscribe, share with family and friend, so that at least I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.